Welcome! If you want to make sure you never miss when someone adds you to a post on Instagram, turning on notifications for this feature is a great way to stay in the loop. Here's a simple and updated guide on how to enable notifications for being added to a post. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines icon, also known as the menu or dot icon, located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap this icon to open a menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a list of options related to your account settings. Scroll down until you find Notifications and tap on it to access your notification preferences. Inside the Notifications section, tap on Posts, Stories, and Comments. This area controls all notifications related to posts, stories, and comments on Instagram. Next, scroll down until you see the option labeled Added to Post. This is the setting that controls notifications when someone tags or adds you to a post. Finally, select On to enable notifications for being added to posts. Once this is switched on, Instagram will send you alerts whenever someone includes you in a post, so you won't miss out on any mentions or tags. That's it. By following these steps, opening Instagram, going to your profile, accessing settings and privacy, then notifications, and finally turning on added to post notifications, you'll stay updated whenever you are tagged in posts. This is especially useful if you want to keep track of mentions from friends, brands, or communities you're part of. Remember, you can always adjust these settings anytime if you want to pause or customize your notifications further. Enjoy staying connected and never missing a moment on Instagram.